This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Ron Pletcher. Lovely ranch home in Park Ridge East on Bloomington's desirable east side. This property is situated on a nice cul-de-sac with a sun-dappled backyard. The open floor plan allows easy flow from the living spaces to the kitchen and dining. The foyer leads you into the large living room. To the right is a nice den perfect for a home office or study area. The cheerful kitchen has been completely renovated and features lovely granite countertops, an island/breakfast bar, white cabinets, white appliances, and a pantry. Large windows bring natural light into the dining space. The family room boasts a wall of built-in bookshelves, a wood-burning fireplace, and patio doors opening into the wonderful three-season room with skylights and windows overlooking the backyard. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The hall bath offers a twin-sink vanity and a laundry closet with included stackable washer/dryer. Easy care vinyl plank flooring is throughout the home. Attached 2-car garage offers extra storage. Park Ridge East has its own park that includes tennis court, basketball court, playground, ball field, and a picnic pavilion. This popular neighborhood is on a bus line and is minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment, IU campus and sports venues, and the new IU Health